What's going on, y'all? It's Dill here, man, bringing y'all another video. And this is going to be a different video from the ones I usually upload. But today, I am going to be building my first building/modding. Well, it's not too much of a mod, but building my first mechanical keyboard. So as you all see, it is the Rainy 75. And my brother actually recommended this keyboard for me. So let me see. This is a live unboxing. I have a crazy setup right now. So let's see. This video, alright, my fault, y'all. But in this video, I am going to be trying to add switches and all of that to the and this keyboard is sold out in a lot of places, so I had to get whatever color I could really get. But this color really does look pretty smooth, so y'all gonna see. I need to get y'all some B-roll, but we'll try to get that in a second. And this is a full aluminum keyboard. Hopefully the camera looks nice. The accessories box. Oh, it comes with a cord. I thought I was going to have to buy one of these, honestly. Comes with a board and a few switches, which is nice. I did buy some switches. But we can look at these. Ooh. I don't know if I can hear that, but they do sound pretty decent. Let's go ahead and get the keyboard out. Oh, it comes with the adapter piece too. And because of how I have the camera, I can't really see too much of what's going on. Comes with a cord, that's nice. And then here's the keyboard. And it comes with the thing to take off the keys. Some directions. 75. A certificate. That's always nice to have when you buy something. And here we have the keyboard. It comes well packaged. I do like that. And this is the Rainy 75 keyboard. Looks like a clean keyboard though, I'm not gonna lie. My brother got the black one, so I got this one. Rip it out the plastic. See. This is a heavy keyboard. Like, this thing has to be like 10+ pounds. Let's see. When I start streaming, this is going to be my main keyboard. That's why I wanted to get it and mod it out a little bit. So let's see. I'm probably going to go ahead and switch angles now so I can try to get y'all some B-roll. And I'm going to also try to get y'all some more clips of, closer clips of me taking it off, taking off some of the keys, getting some of the stuff up. Some up close sound tests, and then we're going to jump right back into the next segment.